Hello guys, I will be working on Macbook Air, which is year 2017. The problem with is no Wi-Fi and it's grayed out. Okay, so if I click here, see it's grayed out. We have already this been sent to us from one of our dealers, and they tried with non-good Wi-Fi card, but still it's not working. So we will see if we can fix it. So this is how I'm gonna do it. First of all, I will check uh, what volts we are getting here, which one is the volt line and data line, so that we can have some idea. Okay, so the next thing here is come back here. So this is J3501. So pin number 18 is 3.3 volt, and then this looks like data line. This is going to clock, ground, okay. So the first one, PP3v3 WAN LAN and number 18 3v3 underscore REST4. These are the two we have to check. Okay, let's first check pin number 1 here, which is PP3v3 WAN LAN. Yeah, we have got 3.3 here, that's all good. And check number 18. And we have got 3.345. So we got sorry. Okay, so both the WAN LAN 3.3 and S4 3.4, we have got the power. So could be problem is somewhere else. I have to remove the board now and check the other side. Let's see what we can find here. Okay, this is first finding. Okay, keep going. This is, I remember, this is WAN LAN most probably. Anyway, keep digging. Okay, that's the only thing I could find, and this is just by SMC chip, so let's find out what is it. Is this, let me check again. Ooh, that's clock here, that's U3500, and this one is U35. Okay. Yeah, that's pin number 14 going here. And so this is R33, oh sorry, is this R33, is it 3350? R3559 and R3558, and this hole, and then this is on PP3V3 WAN LAN. This resistor, these all are in a very bad shape. See here, this is the area here. Okay, so next thing is we will remove all of these. It's like sort of, you know, insect pee here. And this resistor, let's remove all of these and replace with new ones. Oh man, I hate it when the pads are gone. Then it is more work. Okay, let's see. Arc. Let's give it some love. Fucking again jump wire and stuff, you know I hate it. I hope pads are intact. That's what I want. The fucking users. Yeah, looks like pads are intact. And test point is there, so should be okay. Oh, I haven't increased the temperature, it's just 120. I was doing something else, so that's why it's not coming off. It will come off now. So this pad looks intact. I don't know about this one here. We will check it after we give it a good clean. Digitizers? I will tell you where it is. Okay, these are all the most of the items. I can do what I can find. So I have given it some scratches. See, this is all good, this is all good, this looks like good. It's just that we have to tint them. And I think this is ground side and this is line side. This pad is gone, this one here. Let me check. What is it? PP3B3S5. We should be okay on this. Otherwise we can just make a jump wire from 3v3s5, does it have to do? Yeah, it might be important, but I don't know at this stage. Okay, let's first of all address what we were doing. Replace all these 4 resistors, or first print them first. Where is my tinting thing? Here. Okay. It's not even turned on. Come on. Oh yeah, I will turn it on now. Okay. So what do you think, guys, that the resistor is important or not? Don't know. I don't want to break anything. Just tint it like this. Okay, and then give it a clean. So this resistor here, which as you can see, we do not have the pad intact, which is this one here. So I think we will just do this resistor and see if it worked. Otherwise I will do this one as well. So at this moment we will leave it. Now I will get all these 4 resistors from the donor port. And I just checked these resistors, they all are different value. So we can't put one, we can't just remove all and put any of these in another sequence. So it has to be this one at the same place there. So what I can do, no, let's put it, don't want to make mistake. I always do that. So where it's gone? Here. So this is just matter of now going back and forth. I have to turn on the fume extractor because it gives me headache sometime. The fumes. And the last one. all done. The whole board is dusty. Anyway, so now we will check if Wi-Fi is working or not. Okay. Let's see what happened now. If we have to... Oh, do you see here? Just noticed. See, I told you the moisture damage that looked there, it's exactly at the same place. You know where this is lying here. It looks like maybe a dead insect or insect piece, something there, and that is exactly at the same place. See? Okay. Hopefully what we have done should fix the problem, because all of those resistors was on mainline line, but you never know. Does this cable has to do something with Wi-Fi signals? I don't think so. I think that's just the front camera. Wi-Fi is here. Okay, where is the screwdriver? It's here. And I have to go to gym after I finish this. I'm a bit quiet today. Come on, stick the in. Okay. There's enough, or maybe put one screw so that at least it's holding there. Maybe we have to, if it's still not working, open it again. It's nice if your repair works in the first attempt. But you never know. See how many users, they are bent. I ordered few more. So this flux I have ordered, this is V2. Don't order V2. It smells weird, man. It gives you hot. Buy V3. So anyway. Okay. Let's see what we got here now. Yep. See? Yeah, it's not grayed out. Okay, let's connect. So we also know that capacitor was not critical, which is we haven't installed. Okay, it's trying to connect, and it's connected. We will check it now if it's working. Go to our website www.applefix.co.nz. Yep. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.